If someone searches for your business right now, what do they see? A half-filled profile with a generic description from years ago? A few unanswered reviews? Photos that haven't been updated since you launched? That's costing you customers every single day. The good news: AI tools can fix most of this in hours, not weeks, and you don't need an agency or SEO knowledge to do it. Your business description. Most owners write it once and forget it. It sounds dry and forgettable. Use ChatGPT or Claude. Give it specifics. Location, how long you've been around, what you specialize in, your typical customer. Ask for something warm and clear, not corporate. Don't stop at the first draft. Try a shorter version or one leading with your most popular service. Use it as a starting point, not the final product. Here's the honest limitation: AI doesn't know your actual story. It can't mention that your lead technician has been with you 12 years or that you drove out at 2 a.m. to stop a family's basement from flooding. Those details build real trust. Once AI gives you structure, go back in and add the human stuff yourself. That combination, AI for structure, you for the soul, is where the magic happens. Review responses. Responding to reviews tells Google your business is active and that you care. But writing fresh responses gets exhausting. AI excels here. Take a real review and ask ChatGPT to write a warm, professional response. 4 5-star reviews. Thank the customer by name, mention the specific service, and invite them back. For negative reviews, ask for something that acknowledges the concern without sounding defensive. Better yet, ask for 5 different response variations so you're rotating what you use. Before posting, read it aloud. If it doesn't sound like something you'd actually say to a customer, edit it. Authenticity matters. Google Posts. These short updates show up on your business profile. Most businesses ignore them. Good news for you. Ask AI to write a post about something specific: a new product, updated hours, an event, a limited time deal. Keep it under 150 words. Batch them. Ask AI to write 4 posts at once, spend 20 minutes editing, then spread them across the month. Set a calendar reminder to post at least twice monthly. Google Posts expire after 7 days without an end date, so staying consistent keeps your profile fresh. Q&A section. Almost nobody uses this, but it works. Answer existing customer questions using AI. Get proactive. Ask ChatGPT for the 8 most common questions in your industry, then post and answer them yourself. Check this section manually at least monthly. Google doesn't always notify you of new questions, and unanswered ones make your profile look stale. Service listings and photo descriptions. Google lets you add short descriptions to both. Most businesses leave them blank. Ask AI to write 2-sentence descriptions for each service: what it is, who it's for, what problem it solves. Takes maybe 30 minutes total and quietly improves your visibility. None of this is complicated or expensive. Just a couple focused hours and willingness to use the tools already available. When your profile actually reflects what you do and why you're worth calling, that first impression stops working against you and starts working for you.